Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into the latest release from Antares AutoTune Pro 11. This update brings some exciting new features that I'm eager to explore. But I gotta be honest with you, sometimes I get stuck using the same plugins and hesitate to change things up. If you're like me and you're comfortable with that, you know you might miss out on some cool new releases like this one. But let's see what AutoTune Pro 11 has to offer and why it might be worth stepping out of your comfort zone. First up, AutoTune Pro 11 introduces a brand new feature, Harmonization within the plugin that can be triggered by MIDI. This means you can now play harmonies directly from your MIDI controller and have AutoTune generate those harmonized vocals in real time. It's a powerful tool adding depth, complexity to your vocals without needing additional plugins or complicated setups. Now let's talk about the updated graph mode. I'll be honest, I haven't used graph mode much in the past, but with the improvements in this version, it's probably time to get more familiar with it. Graph mode allows for precise tuning of each note, giving you full control over your vocal pitch. If you're looking for accuracy or want to experiment with creative effects, this might be worth diving into. AutoTune Pro 11 also brings AR2 support for compatible DAWs like Studio One, Logic, and Pro Tools. This integration makes it easier to work directly within your DAW, saving time and streamlining your workflow. No more bouncing back between plugins and tracks. AR2 allows you to edit your vocals directly on a timeline, making pitch correction faster and more efficient. For all the Mac users out there, AutoTune Pro 11 now has native support for Apple Silicon. If you're using an M1 or M2 Mac, you'll notice a significant boost in performance. Smoother operation, faster processing, and lower CPU usage means you can focus more on your creativity without worrying about technical limitations. Now I have to admit something. AutoTune has always been my go-to plugin for pitch correction, but I don't use it as much as I could because I usually record with AutoTune in real time. Plus, I spend a lot of time comping vocals to craft the perfect take. This approach works for me, but it also means sometimes I miss out on exploring everything a new plugin like this has to offer. And let's face it, getting too confident in your sound can make you stop looking for other options. That's why I'm excited to get to know AutoTune Pro 11 better. There's a lot to sink into here. I'm looking forward to discovering how these new features can enhance my workflow. Even if you're comfortable with what you know, it's always worth exploring new tools that could push your sound further. So that's my take on AutoTune Pro 11. Whether you're excited about MIDI triggered harmonization, the graph mode, AR2 support, native Apple Silicon compatibility, there's something here for everyone. If you're like me and sometimes hesitate to try new things, maybe this is the plugin that will make you rethink that. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more music production content. Let me know in the comments below if you're planning to try this out. I'd like to hear what you guys got to say. I'm out.